Kaya FM 95.9. Good music, good friends. Breaking news. Dr. Irvin Khoza has been declared fit to carry out minor surgical procedures at Baragwanath Hospital.
Sorry?
Yeah, he's at Bara. This is from Neil Collins, actually. He's just tweeted now.
Okay, hold on.
That explains a lot of things.
No,
Hold on.
Go back. As in into Brababa, we must understand good. Ask go fast. Go back a bit.
Uring.
Ivan wenzeni?
He has been declared fit. He's past fit. You know, sometimes before surgery, you have to be checked that certain
Cesarean.
Yeah, he's going to have, I think, something called a tinklerectomy. I don't know. I'm not a doctor. Let's call Dr. Minga.
Hold on, boss. Hold on, comrade. So, Usapara.
Yeah.
This is Dr. Irvin Khoza.
He is showing you that he's with the people. He's not an elitist.
Para.
Yes.
Hey, okay. Good luck with the Pagania. Yongena pete ileni totoras yini ndempete itato rice. Yongena pete totoras apuma pete aqua rice. Separa la paya. Eparo ngena ngenye into phume ngenye into. Ngena nge total rice. Phume ne aqua rice ongana nesandla lethi. Wathi yini uthi akanazi mara bathi aqua rice chrono rice. Pete chronological chrono rice. Dr. Minga ayazi then. Dr. Minga mambo what so Dr. Minga, what is total rice check rice? Is that it's a small thing like you see when you put a panado and then yeah. Dr. Minga makakhuluma uvela ugule like
Leave my doctor alone.
Izola bekhuluma ngeflu. Ye-flu ngavela ngablockeka. Ngifuna i-tissue so i-flu ama-symptoms you see i-total rice. Ne-crowded rice. Dr. Minga makakhuluma fanele ukuthola i-dictionary to right. Uthini ke manje ubaba? Okay. Total rice. Dr. Irvin Khoza bathu seBaragwana une-total rice aqua rice eBaragwana. Uyazi ulinda kanjani eBaragwana? Uyazi ukuthi isikhathi osima e-reception. And this hospitals mongena because the reception omunye unembaza enhloko uyambona ukuthi phakaniya phakaniya sisoka boys Dr. Irvin Khoza uhleli lapha nesuit yakhe ine pirates siyeza ngedrip abanandaba ukuthi bani abanandaba abanesibala lapha siyeza nedrip wena baba wena nemazi ukukhuluma lapha so nikhuluma Both khuluma nobani wena both khuluma nobani bafaka i-drip abafuna i-vein but let's sand kuma private but no Mr. And then they find a vein ngabanga bona isikhathi vein let him sip about vein let him sip tell him sip bantu banama-drip entameni ayibhedlela zethu umuntu ne-drip la entameni la awuthole khona umsipha babona umsipha top injection lapho imile egedini enime egedini ifuna ukuthenga ugwayi angithole Lexington Tonda ne-drip egedini isecurity awuphumi la awuphumi ngathi yabona uDr. Irvin Khoza sekalele naye e-Hot 17 ayeza ama-play pirates angena athi phakani yazi ama-play athanda ukucula ngathi asiphelila Irvin karaundi umpete wakhe lesikhathi total rice aqua rice rice aqua rice imhlelele bese vele icothulini wena bathi una treacherous aqua rice or una something else usangisoba right uzwakhe mbulu keep ingoma I'm not playing this is the thing mina xa mangizela Friday ngizodlala angizangizoddlala ngizotshela into ezenzakela April Fool namhlanje ngidlala yazi umzakhe umuntu ngoma igama i-racism sangihleke kanje ngedala khona le racism black and white erasing yini
What was that song released?
Idlalephi ngokutshela
Of course.
I'm gonna try to find it.
Yeah, I think being at a Vulture FM. Guys, Vulture ngesizulu ngithi. Yeah, racism. Iblack umnyama. Kulunguba racism. Mangabe umfaza kalalanga endlini racism kakhaya. Hayi wena hayi.
Majumpa makhawunta.
Yo, le country. Yo, Bob.
I, Jacob Gedley Zuma, swear that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa. This second phase will involve the implementation of radical social economic transformation. Key targets in this regard will be to eradicate corruption and inefficiency.
Sorry. Uqeda ukuthi eradicate. Ubaba lo uqeda ukuthi eradicate. Wasana 3. Eradicate. Yipi primary school oyaziyo wena English yabo eradicate. It asifuna upanyaza lesofi manje. Simbuza ukuthi ezikolweni bayenza eradicate. Lo baba lo muntu ombhalayo lo muntu ufundile yena eradicate akazi uthini ufunda into ebhaliwe. Beka ngo away Bob ukuthi like ngiyacela ukubona icountry ekolodwa ipresident ipresident nhlolo yethu icountry ikolodwa ipresident iyasikolodwa ipresident iyasikolodwa usho umkhwengu ngathi uyasikolodwa into eningi fanele 11 counts 11 izinto fanele ubaba abambambe ngazo ukuthi acela ama ministers eke lokuphapha abuye ngaleni basho kanjalo no babathi reprimand kusho ukuthini naphapha yekela nokuphapha nihlole nothuli madonsela nikelani la mama ne weave yakhe khona manje uze wamina neinwele la mama alaba manje yamthanda la mama bamqashile uqosho uba udidi nomkhwengu uqosho udidi bamtreat udidi ngathi stepfather manje bamtreat ngathi stepfather abana ndaba naye nganix ukubona ama stepfather kunzima kanjani nokuthi hey vukani bathi yo qobo uthini uvukani awuthanga mbhede la vukani yo qobongo umuntu evukani mara kasebenzi my stepfather you don't have a say you stepfather yazi ngikhali divorce but hey he's one who divorce bakubiza divorce he's one who divorce yazi ngikhali divorce nestigma now mas la ushola ngevorce uthini divorce uqina ukusebenza wena ngoba ngisebenzi mina vele uthini bamtreata ngathi stepfather bonke abantu abaqashile bamjikele bonke abomkhwengu bamtshela ngesilungu se-iradical izolo bathi sicela mali yethu bathi swimming pool wrong bacela nge-swimming pool bathi ngizoba swimming pool ngabona ama-first lady agoqa ama-swimming costume bathatha ama-swimming costume abenyawazi bakhulu ama-swimming costume ama-first lady ngathi ama-jumping castle bawagoqa ngathi amatende bawagoqa goqa bomakhomalo bagoqa siyaphi batari sambi bazokhipha lamanzi angithi aba understand isilungu mukhwengu bona usilahle sonke country siyagoqa yini siyaphasambi bathi isibaya seinkomo naso lockdown cabanga ubaba bathi inkomo zakhe like isibaya sakadedi bathi sine heater mara kwenza okay eyani le mali ngakho lala jo lo baba lo ukoloti country lala baba bathu ukoloti country uyasikolota top 6 behlangene izolo but after the whole thing top 6 yazwakala but the thing about the top 6 is that nabo ngathi abekho right abazi kwenzakalani utheni mkhulu bekathini bekathi simcosha or asenzele iwallet like bekathi so senzani ngodedi phela ku top 6 bekangena bebakhuluma ngaye bebamhleba abantwana bakhe i-step kids yazini asimcoshela onye abogweda abazi benza simcoshela ntoni siyikhila le mali nathi
Smallanyana skeleton. All right, your time now stands at 8:24 with Skumba in the studio. And Kuli Roberts is on Twitter. Are you trying to forward this message to Skumba? Let me just do it like that and give it to him to look at. Someone has copied...
What
happened?
No, this is a thing. Anginandaba laba uzoyithatha kanjani lento vele. Uthi lo baba. Let's make my Easter. Umbhora ngene esontweni ke. umporo bathi athandaze bese athi abantu bavala amehlo mabavula amehlo akasekho
Shananas.
umporo akasekho umporo uthi athi lo ntolikayo bazalwane kuvele ifula
Hawu.
lathatha umporo uyezulwini umamelani ngiyanixoxela
Ifuki angel.
ifu is the cloud ukhuphuka njengoJesu kahle kahle ha ulandwe ifu wakhuphuka njengoba nithandaza nina karabashasha pora namaporo mpore yeah wanyamala umporo isonto ke lathuka ukuthi hey nangumuntu anyamala namavaselina wethu unyamalele ke umporo namavaselina senze kunqala kwamavaselina athi lo baba lona kuzoba umporo asazi uyobuya nini or after 3 days or after 11 days kanti umporo akekho vele bathi njengoba ke athatha yifu uhambe nefoni yakhe ifoni bekaphethe ifoni la kubakazolanda ingelosi bekaphethe ifoni yakhe S5 wathatha iselfie I'm telling you what happened. Wathatha iselfie umporo wathi khaxa aya ezulwini wafika ezulwini hlale ngelos according to lo baba lo la esontweni ukuthi umporo usezulwini manje uya Twitter la kuna network ke esontweni abantu bayakhala bazilahlela phansi karabashia makarabariya bayawa abantu abanye baphuma inyoka namajuba ngithi badla yonke into ntambama ke umporo abonakala lokushini bambone kabanye bathi hawu wena ngoba uthathwe ingelosi athi hey ceda kubuya manje njoba ningibona manje ngiceda kufika manje kuthiwa wena Brabob abantu abafuna ukubona le selfie yaka baba umporo bacela ukuthi ba donate imali engange 5,000 I'm serious I am not this thing okay ngizoyifuna ngiyithola bathi iselfie yakhe bathi bekame kanje bathi ingelosi uGabriela bela emva kwakhe ingelosi Gabriela yaza kuye yathi yethi bathi umporo ufike ezulwini uthola abantu bambashile bathi Vaseline Iphethe Vaseline bathi bayacela laba bambashile lapha bathi cela ugcobisa 5 rand pora kadlali deposita kule account number ayi Vaseline umporo uphethe isithapha ezulwini bathi ubuye ntambama bathi uhambe ngabo ma 11 kora pas form poro bekabuyile bathi hayi ezulwini kuseduzana mos nespread kusedate bathi ingelosi bezihamba nomporo la abantu babavala amehlo umporo kufika ingelosi athi hey bathi sizokulanda mina karabashia khona harranarabeja Sora shikabasha yangibazi bathini babathana crash abashira ba crash le crash kumporo le kanri umporo une selfie no ngelosu Gabriel and bathi ayibonakala kahle ngoba iphakathi kwefa ngithi nesudu cabanga wena Bob bafika abantu abayithuma nje bathi hamba nawe sezulwini yo baba mina ngathi ngibe gigini izolo ngidli chakalaka nizohamba nami haya izolo bengisesakhombise mina ngilapha haya umporo bathi uthathwe ingelosu Gabriela ubuyile ngabo 4 nangu umthayilo ukhumutso umchaza ngani ukhumutso une access internet uyitholile le selfie yakamporo.
Let's turn that around a little bit and we'll try and tweet it as well.
Yeah, okay, I want to read. I thought Xkumba was talking because he is that guy. Idris Pastor Mboro, give me 5,000 rand and I will show you the pics I took in heaven.
Oh, come on.
I promise you it's here.
Uzuzelana uzokhuluma ngabantu kabi ushobani athini nikombela 5,000 selfie nengilosu Gabriel.
Pastor Mboro must fall. For real. We can't. We really can't.
When we thought snakes were enough, petrol wasn't. Wow.
So he's charging people to see his selfie in heaven.
I am blown out. You know, I saw
Probably
you
there's a
trending.
14-year-old somewhere who photoshopped because he probably doesn't know anything about
I saw the
photoshopping.
pic mina kunomuntu ngizosithola lesithomo ungawari wena asezolini ngicela usifune mara ingolosi Gabriel.
Everything is everything. I'll tell you what, man. If I had to hit the streets and protest, it'll be against three things. One, dating. The other one is if we don't bring the Miles Davis movie to this country, I'm going to go to protest at New Metro and stay at Kinnico. We got to have the Miles Davis movie. The third thing is Lauren come back, like the real Lauren, you know. Not that one who's doing other things, you know.
Kai FM 95.9. Good music, good friends. We love to applaud the country, and we have a special man on the line to tell us exactly what he's been up to. Good morning, Pastor. How are you doing?
I'm good, and how are you?
I am fabulous. I just heard recently from Uskumba that apparently you took a trip overseas, and I just, I had some questions for you about that. Did you indeed take a trip, Pastor? To heaven?
A trip to heaven.
Yes, there are rumors that you took a trip to heaven and that you're offering people 5,000 rand for a selfie.
Let me tell you one thing. The Bible says we are with Christ in heavenly places by faith every day. So this madness that they talk about, that I took pictures and came back, heaven is very private. So God will not allow that. So I wouldn't actually have power above the one who is leading my life, who saved me. And since Sunday I was preaching at church about the resurrection of Jesus. And that because he rose in all things that he went through, just like whatever they are trying to do, we shall rise again.
Yes.
So this heaven thing, there are some people who are religious leaders who are working. You can see even on the Facebooks whose followers are there, who are commenting about that, trying to destroy my reputation.
Aha.
How do I sell pictures from heaven? Which heaven?
Bayaqhela wena Pastor Mboro.
So Pastor zange uye ezulwini.
Ezulwini likhona ilanga lele laziwa uNkulunkulu.
Uyile ezulwini
Azongisa ngalo kulo. Hayi lezi esikhulunywayo.
Ngoba bathi wena uhambe ngabo 8:30 ekseni abantu bathandaza wathi bavala amehlo wathi gone bathi basabheke lokho wabonakala elokushini yozile eshisa nyama bathi hawu mara uye lo baba beka sezulwini mos manje mina ngibuza ukuthi uyile nankalakatha or awuyanga.
Hayi ngishumayela mina ngokuvuka kukaJesu esontweni. Leyo iyaziwa yibo.
But thank you very much, Pastor Mbora. I like the fact that you can always talk to us and, debunk all this nonsense that's spread about you. Obviously, you're very popular. That's why people say things about you. Have a great weekend, Pastor.
No, thank you very much for the show. And I forgive all your sins.
Did he just say
He forgives. He forgives us.
say
Yazi ngiyanixolela. Ngiyanixolela nawo manzi.
Nomona.
Nina ngibuza mangabe kuzenzeka mhlambe lethi ayezulwini akangidade ngoba nomuntu ofuna ukukhuluma naye yazi. Bona gogo imali uyifihle phi? Madrasini bese nyayehla nyabuya naye bathi ubonakala echisa nyama. Oh yes.
Anyway, what's happening with traffic? He forgave us.
We forgive your traffic.
We take it, I suppose.
Trying to rock with you all night. Mood to Swing. That was All Night by Mood to Swing. The time is 8:53. You're tuning to 180 with Bob. It's a Friday, which means that it's Kumba Day. Anything else shock you when up with one?
Ngaye emncwabeni la khumutso benyeke umncwabe bo. Mina this is the thing. Sometimes ngibona izinto umncwabo. Ngathi le family beyiqala ukushonela. Like no one has ever died in the family. Right. So I don't know. Like akazwa like family yakho akazwa ngashonela.
Okay.
So malume bathazobonga. Wathi bathi malume uzobonga mina. Bathi ya wena uzobonga ngathi yo. Akazi yothini wagibela phezulu kwethuna.
Wagibela phezulu kwethuna.
Wagibela phezulu kwethuna. Was standing on top of a grave. Sibonge. Sibonge. Bathi ngibonge nami ngiyabonga. Umzwandile ka ugulile umzwandile. Kulo Mzandile ke hey bukumuntu wetoilet nje iviki lonke sithi uzoba ngcono kanti hayi uyahamba uMzandile. Umuntu esimbhekile bokumkhulu ke lo ose-ICU. Umkhulu uye umuntu esimbhekile ke uMzandile ke ugulile ke sithi nje sibonge ke wonke umuntu beimoto abama-taxi nabama-truck into eyi-1 imoto athi ya ngimalana nje ngithunyelwa umndeni ke sisho ukuthi happy birthday auntie.
Why? Sikhuma no.
Ibirthday ka auntie namhlanje sibonge no auntie ibirthday yakhe sithi auntie khule. Asijwayelanga ke thina ekhaya ukuthi sishonelwe ke into zakhe abovusi lezi hayi vusi. Hayi yashonwa kina indaba okudlala. Uyazi vusi nomanje namanje auntie wakho uyagula ngithi uyakhwehlela singabuya lana next week size ngawe mavusana. Sibonge nakulabo bafundisi bamabhantshi amancane sithi blazer the best of blazer. But hey rapper. Okay.
Umaga. No.
1, 2, 3 into the 4. Snoop Doggy Dogg is on the floor. I'm Shebelez. I'm Dog. At highly rap one. Olisa futhi ke kumndeni ngithi nje before ngihamba singakhohlwa bazalwane let's vote ANC but Khongolose yes ngiyabonga badala lo mncaba
Uthini ukuthi manje
rapper
bayazola toilets
oh I'm Shebelez I'm Dog Shebelez let's go to Shebelez abangani bakhe bambheka athi ngiyadlala
unganqa graduated uJuju
yeah ufunde nini like ustudy shengo lo singakhi ngoba uJuju uyenini wa study because une BA maybe a true or false le BA le maybe yeah choose the correct word all right fill in the missing words all right true or false bambhalele lento angeke beka submit bebambhalela ngeke
Ayisuka sikhumba manje.
Ukwambona nina e-library kohlangana uJulius athi yazi uJulius e-library yazi uJulius beka se-library nathi ku right hlele library hayi uJulius library akayi library re batatswe hatswe une gown uJulius une gown not tell una gown une gown yamagupta une gown yokusikolota une gown yomshado laba makashada bamnika igown bahamba.
Congratulations.
True or false? True or false? Ubani president of South Africa? True. Allah, thank you very much. Tonight, Caprivi, Kaslam, and then on Wednesday, I'm out Coffin. Thank you very much to everyone that bought tickets to the State Theatre gig. It's sold out. Ticket. Yeah, it's next week Friday, sold out. And then later on, this month, 20 drinks and I'll spread for my last leg. It's a shublet, then the curtain comes down, then we start a new hour.
Stunning angels.
Yeah, well,
so proud of you.
Thank you very much.
We're looking forward to
C'est France. Yes, only up with Kian. C'est France.